Hello everyone. Today I want to share what we've learned after years of working on these systems because many times the real problem is in a completely different place than most people expect. One of the errors that confuses 8 SleepPod 4 owners the most is the water flow sensor error code. Many people assume the flow sensor has failed, but based on our experience in the repair shop, the problem is almost always that the water isn't circulating properly. In other words, the sensor is simply detecting an abnormal water flow, not necessarily a faulty sensor. Many customers tell us the error appeared after refilling the water tank, moving the bed, or reinstalling the hub. Others say things like everything was working fine and then the code suddenly appeared, or the bed stopped cooling before the error showed up. Those details tell us that something has changed in the water circulation. One of the most common causes is air trapped inside the system. It may seem like a minor issue, but even a small air bubble can prevent the pump from circulating water consistently, causing the sensor to detect a flow problem. That's also why it's important to make sure the water reservoir is full, since the water level can drop during the first few cycles as the system finishes bleeding the air out. We've also seen cases where a slightly kinked hose restricts the water flow without completely blocking it. Another detail several customers mention is that the hub starts making a different noise before the error appears. In most cases, that's a sign the pump is struggling because the water isn't flowing properly. Over time, minerals or other deposits can also build up inside the system, especially if the recommended maintenance hasn't been performed. That buildup gradually restricts the water flow until the sensor detects the abnormal condition and triggers the error. If the code continues to appear after checking all of those things, it's possible there's an internal problem with the pump, the flow sensor, or the hub itself. In those cases, 8 Sleep Support typically recommends verifying the water level, running the priming process again, and inspecting the entire setup before sending the unit to an authorized service center for a more thorough diagnosis.